Hi, and welcome back to my 21 Gun Saloon. I'm a disabled veteran who likes to make drinks and would like to share them with you. Today I'm going to take this Parrot Bay Key Lime Rum. It is 42 proof, and it's a product out of Louisville, Kentucky. Ounce and a half, your Parrot Bay Key Lime Rum. I'm going to top it off with this Sprite Lymonade. I hope everyone out there is having a great day today. If you can do me a favor and smash that like button. While you're at it, subscribe to the channel. Thank you. I really do appreciate each and every one of you. These videos are also my way to honor the memory of the men and women who volunteered or may have been drafted to serve this country. If you would like me to dedicate a video to a fallen veteran or soldier, email me at my21gunsaloon@gmail.com and I will dedicate it to your fallen hero. I will now raise my glass and pay my respects to Henry Flynn. Henry passed away on October 25th, 2025 at the age of 98. He served in the Navy and he called Connecticut home. You may be gone, but you will never be forgotten. Thank you so much for your service. You will be missed. Oh, above a 10 out of 10. If I had my choice between Western Sun lime vodka and this key lime rum, Parrot Bay wins. Above a 10 out of 10. Never drink to forget. Always drink to remember. Henry, may you rest in peace. Delicious. On average, 22 veterans and soldiers take their lives daily. If you're having a mental health crisis, please reach out to the agencies listed in the description below. These services are free, so please reach out for help. If you like what I'm doing, please like, subscribe, and share these videos. Please help me keep the memory of these heroes alive. Since these episodes contain alcohol, please drink responsibly and do not drink and drive. Thank you, and have a great day.